There are a plethora of training programs and advertisements about how easy it is to do medical transcription from home and for profit. But the truth is that it's not easy at all. You'll need specific training, and classes can cost $3,000 plus once you've completed the classes. You may find it difficult to find work from home transcription opportunities, especially nowadays, with plenty of voice recognition and transcription software out there. However, if you're determined that medical transcription and editing is right for you, here are some tips. Consider joining your local AHDI Association for Healthcare Documentation Integrity, and networking with other professional transcribers in your area. Getting in with a healthcare group or hospital can help you find opportunities. One of the best ways to find transcription and editing jobs is to look at your current network. If a friend is a doctor or nurse, ask the name of their transcription service. Are they happy with the company they work with? Reach out to small private practices in your area. Also consider law firms and other groups who may need transcription services. With today's complicated medical privacy laws in place, doctors are much more careful about who's typing and viewing their patients' medical records. Whatever way you're looking to earn extra money and provide for your family, be smart, savvy, and do your research. Unfortunately, there are many scams out there that offer get-rich-quick schemes and tricks rather than real tips. Earning money takes work, it's just a fact of life. Yes. In life, we occasionally stumble upon an opportunity, or we're blessed with talents that can help us earn more. But there are very few times when money just falls into our laps. Approaching your earning with purpose, research, and integrity will help you avoid those who might take advantage of you. Always investigate opportunities with a critical eye and consult with other experts who've been successful earners, whether it's through blogging, Etsy, or even dog walking. Find your opportunity and bring home a little extra bacon right from home today.